This is your living room. The kitchen comes with this straight fitted slab and a very cute little island slab right over here. This is your master bedroom. Hello and welcome to Housey. I am Ekta Kapoor and today we will be doing the sample plat video of the project Supreme Rivana, which is located in Purnavale, constructed by Supreme Universal. As you can see, I am standing right outside the sales office of the project. And this is the road that connects you to the sales office, which also connects you to the Mumbai-Bangalore highway. And this is the road that connects you to Aund BRTS road. But before I tell you everything about this project, let me tell you a little more about Housey. Housey is India's first ever online platform wherein the listing is done directly by the developers. Thereby, you do not get multiple calls from multiple brokers after even one small inquiry. Yahan par we connect you directly with the developer, so we give you the bottom price guarantee, and along with that, we also give you genuine information. So what exactly are you waiting for? Register yourself on housey.com and let me take you to Supreme Rivana. Now let's try and understand the project with the help of the 3D model. The project will be constructed in a total land parcel of 15 acres, which will have 13 towers, which will have ground plus 20 floors of 2 BHKs and 3 BHKs, premium residential apartments. Talking about the connectivity, this road connects you directly to the Mumbai-Bangalore highway, which is only 850 meters from here. D-Mart is only 2.3 kilometers from here and PNX Mall of the Millennium is just 4.8 kilometers from this location. Talking about the amenities, the project has 30 plus luxury amenities with the likes of infinity swimming pool, skywalk, a forest, basketball court, multi-purpose court and a lot more. This is what your 1056 square feet 3 BHK looks like from outside. You want to see it from inside? Well, what are you waiting for? Follow me right over here. Into the house, and at the entrance is this grand foyer area, which also helps with this wall. It blocks the privacy of your house. So your house is right here, and here we enter. It also comes with extended security with a digital door lock that can be operated with a fingerprint, a security key, and also a master key. Let's go inside and take a look at the house. This is your living room that comes with this balcony. Now, as you know that this house comes with a forest and a river, absolutely complimentary. So what are you waiting for? This is the view that we need. From here, you can look at the 700 tree plantations. This balcony is covered because of the Pune rains that are kind of unpredictable. So this balcony comes covered from two sides and also within a railing. Now let's move into the dining space over here. So your living is exclusive and so is your dining. This is the L-shaped dining space that has been provided, which has very good access to the kitchen. Let's take a look at this one now. The kitchen comes with this straight fitted slab and a very cute little island slab right over here for the rest of your works, and there is also an attached dry balcony to this, which is also covered from three sides and comes with this huge space for ventilation. Now this house being a 3 BHK, all the 3 bedrooms are clustered at one end. Now let's take a look at them. This first of all is your common toilet, which comes with anti-skid tiles on the flooring, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles and standard CP sanitary fittings. Well, your bedroom number 1 comes with an open wall. I'm sure you're surprised too. But yes, when a project is giving you the best of the views guaranteed in Pune, you are also supposed to look at them. And what other better way than a glass window? Now, half of it is fixed, half of it is sliding, comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net, gives you the perfect ventilation and amazing lighting as well. And of course, it also gives you one of the best views, isn't it? Come, let me show you the rest of the rooms of the house. Now, let's take a look at the next bedroom. Well, right over here is the master bedroom, but before that, let's take a look at the guest bedroom, because first guests, right? Here we come into this room, and at the entrance over here is the washroom, which comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, and standard CP sanitary fittings. Well, the view isn't to be missed over here as well, and that's the reason there is a similar kind of a window right over here, which also comes with half of this as a fixture and half of it is sliding, comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net as well. Now, before we go into the master bedroom, let me tell you what else Housey does for you. At Housey, we make location tour videos for you. Along with that, also we make pros and cons details for you, EMI details, and also 360-degree tours. So what are you waiting for? Quickly register yourself on housey.com and let's take a look at the master bedroom. Now here at the master bedroom, at the entrance, you should not miss out a couple of things. Of course, there is a master toilet, but before that, at the entrance over here, they have provided you with this niche area, which can be utilized for a walk-in wardrobe kind of a setup. And then let's now take a look at the master toilet, which comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, and CP sanitary fittings. And because this is your master bedroom, that's the reason why there had to be a balcony, right? Let's take a look at the balcony now. The balcony comes with wooden finished ceramic tiles and is also covered from 3 sides and comes with this toughened glass railing. So everyone, this was the sample flat video for the project Supreme Rivanna, constructed by Supreme Universal and located in Punavale. Stay tuned to Housey for more such beautiful videos and do not forget to like, comment and share on this one. Thank you very much.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.